Hey everyone, deciding between the Xiaomi Air Purifier 4 and the 4 Compact. So in today's video we will compare both the models to help you figure out which one is perfect for your space. So let's dive in. First up, the design. The 4 Lite is slightly larger than the 4 Compact, but both shares the Xiaomi's sleek minimal look. The compact, as the name suggests, is ideal for the smaller spaces, while the Lite offers a bit more purification power without taking up too much room. Now let's talk about the performance. So both the purifiers use the HEPA filtration that removes the 99.97% of the particles like dust, pollen and smoke. But the 4 Lite has a higher clean air delivery that is called CADR, meaning it can purify larger areas faster than the compact one. So if you have a medium sized room, the Lite might be a better option, while the compact is great for the smaller rooms like the bedrooms or the home offices. Now, in terms of the coverage, the 4 Lite can handle the room up to the 43 square meters, while the compact is more suited for the spaces up to 27 square meters. So it really depends on how much space you need to cover. So when it comes to the power efficiency, both the models are designed to be energy conscious, but the compact, being smaller, use slightly less electricity. So when it comes to pricing, the 4 compact is usually more affordable, making it a great budget friendly choice. So which one should you buy and which one is better? So if you need more power for the larger rooms, you can go with the Xiaomi Air Purifier 4 Lite. But if you are after a compact affordable option for the smaller spaces, the 4 compact is your bet. So you can also check out the links in the description to grab the one that best suits your need. Thanks for watching.